Hello and welcome to PBL. Here we solve all your queries related to your school chemistry. Today we have a question. A 2-liter solution was prepared by mixing of ammonia and ammonium sulfate. If pH of solution was found 8 and solution contains 1 mole of ammonia, then moles of ammonium sulfate was taken will be. So here we are given a solution. We have a solution in which there are ammonia and ammonium sulfate. They both are present. And the solution is of 2 liter. The total amount of this solution is 2 liter. So we have mixed ammonia and ammonium sulfate. For ammonia, the number of moles are given to be 1 mole. And for ammonium sulfate, we have to calculate the number of moles. Here the number of moles are given, and for ammonium sulfate we have to calculate. And the pH of the solution, 2 liter is volume of the solution, and pH of the solution is also given, that is 8. Along with that we are given with pKb of ammonia, that is 5. So we are given with all these values. Now we can see that ammonium sulfate is a salt and ammonia is a base. So if we talk about ammonia, ammonia is a base when it abstracts one of the proton in its close affinity. It forms NH4 plus. Ammonia is a base. It is reacting with acidic proton. So it would form its conjugate acid. Conjugate acid is forming, and like that if we see ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole twice, SO4, it is a salt. In aqueous medium, it would break down to positive and negative ions like NH4 plus and SO4 to minus. So we have to calculate the number of moles of ammonium sulfate. So we can take it as X moles. So you can see that if 1 mole is breaking, 2 moles of ammonium ion is formed. So like that, if X moles are breaking, then 2X mole of ammonium ion are formed. So now we have base and conjugate acid along with the salt. So here we have to use Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation to calculate the pH. So the formula is for base, because we are given with a base, ammonia, the strong base. We are not given with a strong acid. So here we have to calculate pOH first. So it is P equal to pKb plus logarithm of concentration of conjugate acid, because conjugate acid is forming from base, divided by the base concentration. We know that we have to calculate the number of moles of ammonium sulfate, that is X moles. We have to calculate this. So we have to calculate the concentration of conjugate acid. We will calculate it like this, 2x, its moles are 2x. So first we would calculate this conjugate acid concentration. For that we need pOH, pKb and base concentration. So here we have pOH. So for pOH, we are given with pH here. pH of the solution is 8. And this sum of pH and pOH is equal to 14. So pH is given 8 and pOH we have to calculate. So pOH would come 14 minus 8, that is 6. So we have the POH here. Now, here are concentrations and we are given number of moles and volume of solution. Number of moles for ammonia is given. For ammonia, it is 1 mole, and for the salt, we have let it to be X mole. We have to calculate this. We have let it X moles. And for solution, the volume is 2 liter. So, if we have to calculate the concentration or the molar concentration, the formula is number of moles divided by volume. So, the number of the concentration, the molarity means concentration. So for conjugate acid, that is NH4 plus, the conjugate acid is ammonium ion. It is the conjugate acid. Its number of moles of ammonium ion, we saw it to be 2x. So number of moles are 2x. And volume of solution in liter is 2 liter. So 2 is cancelled out and we have the X. X molar is the concentration of conjugate acid or the ammonium ion. Like that we can calculate it for the base, that is ammonia. So base concentration is equal to number of moles are given 1 mole and volume of solution in liter is 2 liter. Therefore it is 1 by 2. So we have each and every quantity that we required to put in equation 1. So we will put everything. Now here we have POH. POH is 6. We will put it here. 6 is equal to PKB. PKB was given for ammonia. It is 5 plus logarithm of conjugate acid concentration, that is X. This is X divided by 1 by 2. That is the concentration of base. So this is 6 is equal to 5 plus log of, now here x. Now this 2 will come in the numerator like this. It is mathematical calculation. 2 would come above and we have log of 2x. So we can write it on one of the sides, and on the opposite side there was 6. So 5 would go on the opposite side like this. So log of 2x is equal to 1. And we know that log of, so we have to calculate the value of x, that is number of moles of the salt. So here 2x would stay here and log would go on the other side. So it would be 10 raised to the power 1. If log goes here, it here comes anti-log and it is the 10. We have to take the base as 10 and the number on the right hand side would go on the power. So it is 10. 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So we know that x is equal to 5 mole and we had to calculate it. We had to calculate this. What is the number of moles of ammonium sulfate? So our answer is the number of moles of ammonium sulfate that is to be used to make this solution is 5 mole. Thank you very much if you have watched the video until here, and if you like this video and the solution, then please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries regarding your chemistry assignments, you can ask in comment section below.